As part of its philanthropic efforts, Tapion Hospital has provided the Department of Health with a vital piece of medical equipment in the fight against respiratory ailments. Interim Chairman of Tapion Hospital, Martin Plummer, touts the strong ties the sister organizations, St. Jude and Tapion Hospital, share and the importance of the charitable gesture.
This medical equipment we are about to donate is called a transport ventilator. And I want to emphasize 2 points. It is a new, portable, and reputable band ventilator. And the reason I want to emphasize this is because the need to transfer patients from one institution to another in a critical capacity has always existed long before COVID, and this need will continue to exist.
The uses and capabilities of the mechanical ventilator were elucidated by Dr. Tamara Spencer, head of the Intensive Care Unit and Anesthesia, Tapion Hospital.
This allied portable ventilator allows for transport of patients from ward to ward, from ward to ICU, and for example, from ward to CT scan, or if we have to go from hospital to hospital. It has the ability to ventilate both adults and children, and it has a range of modes from volume control, pressure control, which are the ones that support the patient fully, or just CPAP, where the patient gets just partial support. So it is a welcome addition to the armamentarium of our fight against COVID that we're all doing collectively.
The equipment was handed over to the Department of Health to be gifted to St. Jude's Hospital. St. Jude representative Dr. Patrick Joseph expressed gratitude to the players involved in making the donation a reality.
It's a very important equipment in today's medicine and what we are fighting, this pandemic. We are very grateful of Tapion Hospital donating this and the Ministry of Health, whether we are 758 or 759. We are one country, and healthcare, whether you are from the south or from the north, there should be equality, and this unit will be placed into good use. Let us not hope, as the minister said, that we do not get a patient with COVID to be placed on this ventilator. But we know we have it on standby. In the event that it has to be placed into use, it will be placed.
The ventilator was handed over by shareholder and board member of Tapion Hospital, Mr. Clinton Shalry, to Minister for Health Mary Isaac. The minister noted the timely donation of the valuable machinery.
Today, this is very remarkable, what we are doing here this morning. This is an essential piece of equipment that Tapion Hospital is donating to St. Jude Hospital in the south. Of course, we do not have any such machine in the south. It is a transportable, portable ventilator, and it is going to come in extremely handy right now, especially as we move from that institution in the stadium to the new St. Jude Hospital. Things will be in flux. Of course, we know things has been in flux for a long time in the south. And portable equipment like that, as expensive as it is, of course, plays a critical role in our maintenance of healthcare for our people in St. Lucia.
The island's first COVID-19 death was recorded at the Southern Hospital. There has been no set date for when St. Jude Hospital, operating out of the George Odlum Stadium, will make the move to a permanent building location. Efforts to rebuild the St. Jude Hospital, which was gutted by fire in 2009, is still underway more than a decade and 3 administrations later. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.